Hello, good morning. How are you all? Good, very nice. I hope everybody completed their breakfast. Good. So, tell me, guys, what are you doing in your free time? I mean, what are your hobbies? Like, anybody like to do study in their free time? Anybody wants to coloring or drawing? Somebody wants to listen music, you know, somebody practice their dance steps because they are fond of dancing. So how many of you like to do paintings, drawings in your free time, in your holidays? Oh, many of you. Good. You know that I also like painting and drawing, but I am not doing only drawing. I can means I'm doing lots of creative work, and not only drawing, like making crafts, using waste materials, huh? And also uh, the same things. So in today's class, we are going to know about, yes, okay. So, welcome in 5th standard. It's your GK class. I am Ojashwini and our today's topic is paintings. Maybe many of you like and doing. So, what is painting? A painting is a picture of design made by using colors. Many surfaces can be used for making a painting, such as paper, wood, glass, cloth, or wall. So, in today's chapter, we are going to introduce with some unique paintings. Maybe some of you know already know about these paintings, but who don't know, let's start. And one more thing I want to tell you first, that the serial number of the paintings is same as in your book. Okay? So number 1 according to your book, it is folk painting. Now what is folk painting? So it is a painting that describes a particular region or culture. That is folk painting. You can see beautiful pictures. Now, the next one is abstract painting. What is abstract painting? Abstract painting means it is a painting that does not depict object found in the natural world. Means whatever comes in your mind, you are coloring, you are paint, you know, and in a free form, smoothly. So that is known as abstract painting. Sometimes in abstract painting, there is no central theme or no main object that you can find. This painting is about what? है ना? That is only a painting using of colors, and that is the thinking of a painter. What was going in his or her mind, that he or she paint in the surface. Okay, टाइम लगेगा, याद हो जाएगा ना. Number 3 is, it is a painting that shows scenery such as mountains, valleys, rivers, and forests. And the one important thing, or we can say one necessary thing, that is, in the landscape painting, shadow must be there. Like in the first picture, you can see here the shadow of the tree, yellow tree it is, and in the second picture, the shadow of the hut and the tree behind it. That is known as landscape painting. The next one is mural painting. What is mural painting? So, it is an extremely large painting applied to the surface of a wall, ceiling, or floor. Maybe in few houses you saw that this painting, because this is nowadays it is in trend. You know, this painting is very popular not only in the big shops, malls, but also in the big houses, because these paintings are very confusing and very interesting also. Like you can see in the first mural painting, you are thinking that it is a view of garden, but no, it is not a real garden. It is the mural painting, or we can say 3D painting, like 2D, 3G, 3D object, that is. So mural painting is 3D पेंटिंग मीन्स ये देखने में लगता है कि ये सच में बिल्कुल रियल है. लाइक इन द सेकेंड पिक्चर एनीबडी कैन कन्फ्यूज्ड दैट द बेड इज ऑन द ब्रोकन ब्रिज, है ना, above the sea, but it is not exactly. It is a type of mural painting or 3D painting, है ना. Sometimes anybody confused and fall down, scared, oh, it is a sea, broken base. Now the fourth number is a portrait painting. What is portrait painting? So it is a painting or an artistic representation of a person. Means in portrait the painting is about only a person. In the second picture of Amitabh Bachchan, this is the portrait, real portrait painting. And in the first picture of this girl, this is the digital portrait painting. Digital means more clear. You can see. Now, your favorite cartoon painting. How many of you like it? Okay, पता चलेगा. So do one thing, if you really like the cartoon painting and some of you watching the cartoons, so tell me the name of this cartoon girl and also the cartoon bear. What are the names? And do you know that Leonardo da Vinci is the creator of the most famous painting named Mona Lisa? The painting hang in the Louvre, Paris, and Mona Lisa is priceless and cannot be insured. One new word introduced here, that is Louvre. Louvre means we can say the हम लोग जिसे झांकियाँ सजाते हैं, झिलमिलाहट, है ना, बाल हैंगिंग, that is Louvre. So your today's homework is write name of the different type of paintings in the given column, and it's optional. If you want, you can try any of it, you know. We learn about 6 new and unique paintings, so you will try to starting, you know, the take your first step being a great painter. So thank you, have a nice day, we'll meet you tomorrow.